Okay, so piano lessons. If you ever taken them, felt stress and overwhelmed, you're not the only one, and it's not your fault. You won't be the first person to experience it, and you won't be the last person to experience it. In this video, I'm going to be talking about just the ugly truth of traditional piano lessons. At the end of the video, I'm going to offer a solution to those students if you ever were in piano lessons and felt overwhelmed, and I'll be giving you a free gift at the end. So be sure to watch until the very end. Okay, so the biggest problem that I see with piano lessons that other teachers do is that they use a music factory approach. So what is music factory? Music factory is when the piano teachers has a schedule. They see the first student, they come in, they do a warm-up, play music, assign homework. Next student comes in, warm-up, play music, assign homework. Next student, warm-up, play music, assign homework. It's just an assembly line in the teacher's schedule. And it's very convenient for that teacher. They can just assign the same warm-up, the same music, and the same homework to all the students. And they're not really thinking too hard about it. It's kind of this one-size-fit-all curriculum, and students are not one-size-fit-all learners. So books that usually follow a music factory approach would be books such as Piano Adventure, Alfred, Bastian, and really personally, I learned using these method books and I benefited from them. And many students do benefit from them. They help a lot in learning how to read music, learning your scales, being able to learn music theory, ear training, and eventually, if you want to do piano competitions or go on to audition into a music school, you will be qualified to do so. And like I said, I benefited from a curriculum like this. But there are going to be students out there that maybe they don't want to be serious learners. They want to play music that's popular. They want to be able to just go to the piano and just jam out. And these books don't really allow for that opportunity to happen. And going back to these books, many of these method books are promoting their own exams. And for a student, you're not really being able to come in and play the music you want to play. You're just kind of going in and playing the music that this author or editor is telling you what to play. And the biggest thing is there's a disconnect between what the student wants to learn, what they want to play, and the results they want to see versus what they're actually playing, what they see, how they see themselves musically, and just feeling like they're on a deadline constantly. So who are these curriculum designed for? They're designed for the student that really needs structure, they enjoy structure, and they do want to participate in these piano exams. And if you're not that student, it is going to be hard to feel like you're growing musically and just growing as a person. And we all have heard that music makes you smarter. We all heard that music improves quality of life. And it can feel like that's not what it's doing. And sometimes these piano lessons can be a source of stress. And it really shouldn't be something that empties your cup. It should be something that fills your cup and it feels like you are excited to learn and that you're growing. So something that I do as a piano teacher that's different is I try finding ways to make learning piano fit into your life in general. For example, I have a young student who wants to be a doctor when he grows up, and he's super smart and I really think he can do it. And I try finding ways to make piano lessons fit into that life goal. For example, when he comes into music lessons and he's playing, maybe he's playing something simple. If he's guessing his way through the notes, or he's just going over the rhythm and just kind of not really paying attention to the details, well, that's how he's going to do surgery. But if now in piano lessons, we're able to look at the details, really make sure that we're not doing guesswork, that we really know the notes, we're not just going over the music, we're really trying to look at details. That's how he's going to do surgery when he grows up. And so every piano lesson is an opportunity for him to become that future surgeon. It's an opportunity for him to make something artistic, but at the same time being able to reach his higher goal, which is going to be life-saving and more meaningful. And lastly, I've taught many adults that have told me that they took piano lessons when they were younger and they quit it. They were a quitter. They never wanted to go back to it. But now that they're older, they're more mature mentally and emotionally, they want to go back to piano, but they don't want that same experience. So I created a curriculum that puts visual guidance first, and being able to look patterns at the piano and being able to approach the piano and being able to just improvise the style of music that you like listening to without having the pressure of an exam that you're meeting a deadline, and without the pressure of whether or not what level book you're in. And in this curriculum, adult students are also taught how to make piano lessons a regular self-care routine. And this means that they can go to the piano and make it a source of stress relief and not a source of stress itself. Adult students, they have busy schedules, or they're taking care of a family, and they may not have the time to fit in piano practice in their already busy lifestyle. But in the curriculum that I made, they're able to make it work no matter how busy or no matter how free their schedule is. They have time for the piano, and it feels like piano is making just an improvement in quality of life. It's making a source of stress relief, like I mentioned. And lastly, it feels like you're growing as a person and as a musician. And I am happy to announce that I made this curriculum into an online program, and I just finished creating my Jumpstart course. I'm putting the QR code right here for you to scan, or you can take a screenshot and tap and hold, and it will take you to the website. I'm also putting it in the link in the description. It's an online course where you'll be able to have one-on-one meetings with me, being able to not only learn music, but you'll be taught how to improvise too, and all without reading sheet music. It's all through visual guidance. And does this sound like something that you're interested in? I'm providing a promotion code for you to use, and that is my thank you gift for watching until the end of the video. So I hope you liked it. Be sure to comment what you want to see next in the next video. I'm going to start making more videos from my experience of being a piano teacher for many, many years and the many, many students that I've had. And let me know what you want to see next. Okay, that will do it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.